president is not squeamish and perfectly fine with the salty, briny, and sharp, pungent odor of fish out of water. Earlier today, he headed out to a major seaport and key hub of fish catches and trading in northern Luzon to inspect the newly rehabilitated and improved cold storage and fish processing facility in Sual, Pangasinan, where he also took a peek at government's cheap rice outlet, as our Carlo Candelaria reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. traveled to Pangasinan today to inspect the Sual Fish Port in Barangay Poblacion, Sual. The Sual Fish Port is one of the major fish landing and trading centers in northern Luzon, serving as a key hub for fish catches from the Lingayen Gulf, the West Philippine Sea, and the Ilocos region. Joining the president during the inspection were Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr., Philippine Fisheries Development Authority Acting General Manager Attorney Glenn Pangapalan, and local government officials. The president inspected the fish port's new facilities, including its cold storage units, fish processing areas where bangus are deboned, as well as upgraded facilities designed to improve the handling of fish from harvesting and storage to distribution. He also met with fisherfolk and those operating at the fish port before touring the area aboard one of the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources or BFAR vessels. According to the Department of Agriculture, the modernization of the Sual Fish Port will help reduce post-harvest losses, preserve the quality of fresh catches, and strengthen the cold chain system to ensure faster delivery of fish to markets across northern Luzon.
Tuwan-tuwa ang ating Pangulo at nakita niya na yung ating pondo ay nagagamit sa tamang paraan at yung kung makikita mo yung building sa labas parang may hint na luma siya, pero sa loob totally brand new yan at state of the art at this will be certified for EU and the US market in Middle East.
The improved facilities are also expected to benefit fisherfolk, fish traders, processors, and other businesses that depend on the fisheries industry.
Mr. President, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita nyo dito sa amin, sa Sual. Kami po ay nakikiusap sa inyo na sana mapansin nyo po yung aming organisasyon dito sa Sual, na sana po ay mabigyan nyo po kami ng tulong o pondo para po makapagsimula po kami.
Meanwhile, the president also visited the Benteng Bigas Meron Na outlet at the Sual Fish Port Complex, where he received a warm welcome from beneficiaries who lined up to purchase the subsidized rice. He personally greeted the beneficiaries and checked the sale of 20 pesos per kilo rice under the Kadiwa ng Pangulo program.
Malaking tulong po ito sa amin dahil mura po. Maraming salamat po Pangulong Marcos sa binigay mong biyaya sa amin dito sa Sual.
Through this visit, the Marcos administration reaffirmed its commitment to supporting the fisheries sector while strengthening the country's food security. From Sual, Pangasinan, Carlo Candelaria for The Nation.